Hello students, how are you all? How do you spend your holidays? Don't waste your holidays. You must spend your holidays properly and obey your parents. Okay, shall we move to our class? Are you all ready? Let's start. Do you know what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now let us learn pronoun. So today we are going to learn about pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Okay students, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. For example, Mr. Prakash is a bus driver. Mr. Prakash drives children to school every day. These two sentences describe Mr. Prakash. Instead of his name, we can use he. Mr. Prakash is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. The words I, we, you, they, he, she, it are pronoun that come in the naming part of a sentence, and you can also come in telling part. The words I, he, she, it. We used these words for singular nouns. We, they are used for plural nouns. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Now, here are some examples. I am going to school. He, Bala is a dancer. Instead of his name, we can use he. So, he is a dancer. Shantoshni is a teacher. Instead of her name, we can use she. So, she is a teacher. The cat is running. Instead of the cat, we can use it. It is running. I and Suganya are sitting. Instead of I and Suganya, we can use we. We are sitting. My mother and my father are going to market. Instead of my mother and father, we can use they. They are going to market. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, it is an important game. You must play as a team. In this sentence, you is used for plural noun. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? In this sentence, you is used for singular noun. Okay, now you know what is pronoun. Can you say what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. That is, it is used for instead of noun. What are the pronouns are there? They are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, we have many types of pronoun. Now we are going to learn only two types. There are personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. First, let us learn personal pronoun. The words I, you, we, they, he, she, it are personal pronouns. And these pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. For example, that girl is playing. Here, instead of that girl, we can use she. So, the sentence is she is playing. The words me, you, her, him, us and them are also personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in a telling part of a sentence. For example, the salesman happily sold the car to the man and woman. Here, instead of the man and woman, we can use them. So, the sentence is, the salesman happily sold the car to them. And the pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence. And already we know you is used for both singular and plural noun. For example, Bala said you are intelligent Ram. Here in the sentence, you is used for singular noun. And the second one, the teacher said I have faith in all of you. In this sentence, you is used for plural noun. And it is used for animal and inanimate things. For example, a boy walks with a dog. The dog has pushy tail. Here, instead of the dog, we can use it. So the sentence is, a boy walks with a dog. It has pushy tail. Okay students, what is personal pronouns? The words I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. And me, you, her, him, us and them. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the telling part of a sentence. And you is used for singular and plural noun. It is used for animal and inanimate things. Could you understand, guys? Okay. Next, let us learn possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Pronouns that shows who or what owns something. The words mine, its, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs are called possessive pronouns. They can be used in place of possessive nouns or possessive adjective plus possessive noun phrase. For example, that car is ours. That dress is hers. Possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. They stand alone. For example, this is Sweetie's house. Instead of that, we can say this house is hers. Could you understand what is possessive pronoun? Pronouns that show who or what owns something. The words mine, its, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs are called possessive pronouns. Okay students, what did you learn today? First we learned what is pronoun. Can you say what is pronoun? It is used for instead of noun. What other pronouns are there? They are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And it has many types. But today we learn only two types. What are they? They are personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. What is personal pronoun? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, me, you, her, him, us and them are called personal pronoun. And what is possessive pronoun? Mine, its, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs are called possessive pronoun. Could you understand, guys? You have to do a homework in your home. What's your homework today, no? And you have to write 10 example sentence for personal pronouns and possessive pronoun. This is your homework today. Have to do it in your home. Be safe. Bye bye. Take care.